Presenting Publex, a tool to publish digital dictionaries easily without requiring technical expertise. 40 years ago, we were only familiar with kilometre-long bookshelves full of volumes of dictionaries. Since we started to use computer technologies, we can find more and more existing or newly compiled dictionaries digitized on the internet. Digitizing the 300 million written characters of Grimm's German dictionary took years. However, this was a worthwhile pursuit since everyone now has access to these essential works. All entries in a dictionary have to be annotated and structured. This process is and remains time-consuming and expensive. Despite this, the process of publishing dictionary data can be sped up nowadays. We, a team from the University of Trier's Trier Centre for Digital Humanities, were part of the European project ELEXIS. We researched for a fast and flexible solution to publishing retro-digitized dictionaries. The result was Publex, a kind of toolbox to create a completely newly compiled dictionary or a previously digitized existing dictionary and upload it to the web. This opens up new opportunities, especially in minor languages or dialect research. Anyone who wants to publish a dictionary via Publex can import their XML dictionary data from a Git repository into Publex and upload the dictionary's metadata. At the heart of the tool is our establishment of styling rules and our commitment to defining them. These rules define how the individual elements of the dictionary articles are displayed online. In the background, Publex analyzes their data. It breaks it down into individual tokens and captures all aspects of each dictionary entry. You only need minimal technical knowledge to use Publex. You simply adjust the properties for each element, such as the font style, font size, color, the spacing between individual characters, or the indentation of the first line of text of the element. The technical infrastructure comes with Publex. You can familiarize yourself with additional tools on the Daria Digital Campus and upload your dictionary to the server without incurring hosting fees. The user-friendliness of Publex allows anyone to publish a dictionary with this freely available software. You receive the technical infrastructure for your own digital dictionary without incurring costs. Visit www.publex.uni-trier.de to create your online dictionary right now.